I'll fix it tomorrow. Tomorrow. I will get to that tomorrow. Tomorrow. Now feels like the perfect time to get to all those tomorrow repairs you've been hopelessly putting off, and maybe even start a new hobby or project. I've turned my basement into a wood shop, creating some out-of-the-box workout equipment for me and my friends.
Oh, I love it.
Mike Deprima is getting ready for a new addition, not on his home, but in his home. His wife is due in late July, and they're converting their office into a nursery. Jana Kay Hurst and her 11-year-old son built a greenhouse and started a garden. They've used it as a way to practice math and science while he isn't going to school. Jeremy is also getting his hands dirty. Him and his wife built a raised garden to grow vegetables and herbs this season. Jess Everett and her husband Jay put together their new patio set and fired up the grill for the first time. They also updated their front porch with some new pots and a decorative wreath. Got a home improvement or new project to share? Send it to the Good inbox at good@verizon.com. Now, where are my safety glasses?